और बहुत कुछ। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानपुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends and families. I, Archana Sharma, along with the entire team of Franchise India, welcomes each one of you to our digital representation of the business opportunity which we have got for you under our Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. This is an attempt from our side to present the business opportunity so that you digitally interact with our brand founders, brand team, understand their end-to-end business model, franchise solutions which they have got for you, and then share your queries with us so that we can take them with our brand's representative. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company, where our aim is to provide the maximum business opportunities, franchise solutions, and guidance to our investors so that they can take a right and a conscious decision of perfect franchise for themselves. We welcome Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. During the course of this particular webinar, they'll be taking all your queries, they'll be sharing their guidance as well as viewpoint with us. The business opportunity which we have got for each one of you is Vasvi, the brand from Jaipur. It's a retail opportunity from Pyramid Export Group for each one of you. And today we have invited Mr. Sachin, who is a pan-India sales head for them, to talk about this opportunity. He'll be sharing the journey of Vasvi as well as the financial and business model for you. Thank you so much, Sachin sir. आज हमें join करने के लिए. We are delighted to have you on our webinar. Over to you for your presentation, sir. Thank you, sir. We can see the presentation on screen. We request you to please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Thank you, Sachin sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay, great. Hello, everyone. Here, myself is Sachin. I'm representing Vasvi, that belongs to the parent company called Pyramid Export. And here I'm heading the brand. The brand name is Vasvi, as you are seeing on the screen. We are into the women's ethnic wear, into the women's clothing with the entire range of women's clothing. Particularly this brand we have initiated 3 years back. Our previous history, or you can say our current history as in Pyramid Export, as a parent company, we are since last a decade, we are into the manufacturing of women's clothing itself. But we are manufacturing for the domestic market, like Landmark Group and Future Group, Reliance. Still we are working for them. We are working hard for them. You can say we are one of the renowned name as an production house for this corporate houses in India who are into the women's clothing brand. Now, 3 years back, we have initiated this brand Vasvi as our own label. We have registered ourselves and we have initiated. We have thought that right now, seeing a current scenario into the business, if you are seeing that there are n number of brands belong to the menswear. Even you can say a complete market share is captured brand belong to the menswear. Even if we utter a word brand, it itself recognized somewhere it is belong to the Levi's, Wrangler, Pepe, Peter England, or any of the brand which recognize themselves as a menswear brand. But when we are talking about the market share for women's in terms of the shopping, in terms of the business, that is a huge market, but completely an unorganized sector, which we call in retail. But it is a huge market share generally compared to the men's. Then we thought that we should give a good quality, good competent product to the women's, because now a women's in India, you can see that they are into the business, they are into the jobs, they are into the corporates. Everywhere we can find an equivalent share of women's. So ultimately, they are not finding exactly the product what they want according to the fashion, according to the quality, according to the trends. So women's wear, as in being a brand, it is a very good scope for a business, for we thought of. And that's why we have initiated this brand, Vasvi. And everyone knows that if we are talking about a ready-made garments for women, especially when we are talking about the kurtis, Jaipur itself is a brand for India, from where we are initiating this brand. So Jaipur is completely known for their prints, for their fabrics. So the same print, same fabric, and which belongs to each and every state of India, we are trying to get that touch in our prints, in our quality, in our things. So that is the reason that we are now planning to expand entire India. Especially when we are talking about South, I think the South is very much known for cotton, and they accept cotton. And in terms of other manufacturing units, entire India and other cities, Jaipur mainly is very much acceptable in the South market in terms of quality, in terms of fabric, in terms of prints, in terms of their color shades. So because South has completely entirely a different color shades compared to the North. So that's all we are working for that also. So this is the brand where we have initiated, and you can see that, as I told you, that being a Vasvi brand, we have the entire manufacturing unit belongs to Jaipur, where we have the entire production set, approximately in 1 lakh square feet area. We are into the women's clothing from last decades, and now we have initiated this brand. Yes. As I told you, there is a very huge growth opportunity in women's clothing. You can see that how much it is. In my PPT also, it's showing that it's a fashion industry. And when we are talking about the fashion, that directly it correlates with the women's, because women's are the main concern about the fashion compared to the men. So they are into the fashion. You have to give every time updated fashion, updated products. That's why we have saw that in last few years the boutique has come out into the market, and they are giving somehow a customized product to the women. The same has initiated with us also, that we are into the products where we are also offering at our store the fabric. No brand in India who are offering other than ready-made garments the fabric also. We are having a separate section for the same fabric what we are giving into the ready-made, and even more than that, we are giving a different prints, different solid colors of a fabric options to the customer to go for a customized. So that is also a new concept we are introducing into the brand, women's brand concept. we have a very, very huge opportunity if we are talking about in women's clothing. Still, if we are talking about the brand in women's clothing, we have a brand on fingertips only. If we will start to count, might be we can count not more than 5 to 6 brands in India who are working presently as a women's brand. Rest all are working, but they are the extract part of men's, and they are mostly into the Western wears. But when we are talking about ethnic, they are on fingertips. So that is a growth opportunity, growth scope for a women's clothing. And I told you that it is a complete, if you are talking about market share, is completely captured by nowadays is by women, not from today, but in ancient time to till date. If we can see the shopping capacity, what women have, it never be compared with any man. Might be a man can buy a cloth even for 3 or 4 times in a year, but in women's sector, we can, might be, if we can give a chance, women may buy a product in a day 2 or 3 times. So that is also a, you can say, a logical options to go for a women's clothing. And then why Vashi? Because we are into, firstly, we are has a own production unit. We have everything as a production unit, and entire production setup is under the one roof, from fabric, gray fabric to the ready-made garments. Every entire process to make any garment is under the one roof. What we are having in Jaipur, we are giving you a best quality product on economic price. Everybody is challenging nowadays as a brand. When we are talking, everybody wants the lowest price and the best quality. But why we are claiming this? Because we are running a production house. We are directly coming into the market by clearing all the mid commissions. A production house is directly associating to the consumer. So whatever the mid margin is there, we are cutting down that, and we are directly associating to the consumer. That is the reason they are the economic into the price, and we are best quality product we are delivering. Then of course, when we are talking about women's fashion, so we have to be updated. So we have a complete designer team over here. We have a sampling team separate over there who are continually into the research that exactly what state, even we are focused on the city. We are working like a local. If we are talking about in South for Hyderabad, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Chennai, so everybody has their local fashion. So we are targeting on that level, that how much up to the extract we can give the exact outfit what a local people wants, about their age, according to their age, according to their choice, according to their work, according to their engagements into the society. We are offering that products with the good quality, durability, and of course, it is very much economic to our pocket. You can see a short brief of our company, that is a proprietorship company. There is no partner, there is no director, there is nothing like it. It's a single man army. His name is Mr. Ravi Khandelwal. He is just a young entrepreneur, as a 39-year-old, belongs to Jaipur as a native place. Since last decade, I told you that we are into the export and domestics. Currently, we are having this PPT might be a few days back only, but now we have introduced our 2 outlets in Hyderabad. Yesterday only we have signed 2 franchisee for Hyderabad. Then one is in Pune, another is in Patna. Then one is coming up in Haryana. So exactly now, being and Vashi, now we have 10 outlets in a bucket, out of which 5 outlets is of company and 5 outlets is of franchisee. Our expansion plan is very huge. We are planning to have in another 3 years more than 200 outlets across India, either by hook or crook, or either it's company outlet or either it's a franchisee outlet. But more or less, why we are seeking, or everyone is seeking for a franchisee? Because not possible to operate, to manage everything from your head office. You should need a partner who can supervise, at least who can supervise at that local area, that how you can be a command on your staff. For that, we need a partner that who can supervise, who can have a command, who can have the local knowledge of the market, so they can again guide and he can be a promoter for the brand. That's what we are seeking for a franchisee. And franchisee terms are very, you can say, acceptable into the market compared to the other competitors or other competitors, either into the men's or a women's. But what we are offering, that is completely, I'll come up to that also. You can see in that how much land acquisition in about 1 lakh square feet area, built up area, we have this 2 lakh built up area. We have set up 500 swing machines. We have, then we have the capacity to produce 5,000 pieces on daily basis, and almost you can say if we can multiply it by 30 days, it will come to 1.5 lakh. And every process you can see, washing, dyeing, printing, embroidery, everything is our in-house. We are having our software. This is the setup from where I am right now, have our head office, from where I belong to. This is our front of our factory. This is how you can see the setup. This is the cutting, swing, finishing. Now we comes to the commercial part, that exactly what we are offering to the franchisee and what support we are giving it to our business partners. First of all, whatever amount we are taking, that is completely unrefundable amount, which we are asking to pay as a franchisee. The store layout, whatever the store layout is there, it will be supported by the company in part of interior, exterior, not in terms of the cost. I am talking about the interior layout designing, then visual branding, of course the retail software for billing, then CRM model, because nowadays CRM is very important. Hello, I think I was disconnected. Now I am audible.
Hanji, Sachin ji, we can hear you. You can go ahead. You're on mute.
Hello.
Hello.
We can hear you now, Sachin ji.
Hello, I am audible?
Hanji, we can hear you now.
Hello.
Hanji, Sachin ji, we can hear you. आप बता सकते हैं, सुन रहे हैं, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Now you can give a look to the outlets, that exactly what type of outlet we have. First of all, we can come to the, yes, this is the support. The 100% correction is given by the stock by the company itself. Whatever transportation belongs to your place, bear by the company. Then completely online support, that is the whatever the online business comes to the company, it's forwarded to the particular location where the franchisee belongs to, if order is of their nearby pin code. Then of course there is a support for staff recruitment, that is also an HR support from the company. The store manager remuneration, that is almost the highest salary paid for the store, that is borne by the franchisor company. That salary is borne by the company. Then of course the training part, product training part, sales training part, or behavior training part, the complete personality development is completely trained to the staff by the company itself. Whatever the uniforms and other things are required by the staff is taken care by company. Of course, the monthly sales incentive on target achieving is again supported by the company. Then whatever promotional material, social media marketing is also nowadays it's a huge budget we require to promote any of the thing, and social media is a strong network to go directly to the consumers' mobile. So that is also a huge marketing borne by company. Then of course any local event, if at your place is happen, is again supported, or participation is supported by the company. The paper carry bags is supported by the company. This is how our outlets is look. You can see that one is it belongs to Jaipur, another belongs to Mumbai. This is our front, and this type of interior we have, the combo of white and red, as our color theme is red. This is how our outlet looks. This is our product line exactly, that kurtis, plazo set, salwar kameez, dupatta, dresses, party collections, top, tunic, pants, legging. The entire range of women's ethnic clothing is with us. Even few section, or a little section you can say, as of men's and kids also. Now this is, I am coming to the commercial part.
Hello. 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 Hello, Archana, I am audible?
Yes, Sachin, you are audible.
Yes. Now this is the exact commercial plan which I am sharing as a franchise fact with you. That plan A and plan B, plan 1 and plan 2, almost the area with what we require, that is 500 SFT. The only difference is of the security amount and correlate to the margin. If you are giving me a 5 lakh rupees as a refundable security deposit towards the stock, then company is offering you the regular margin as in 40%. But where you are giving a 7 lakh as a security deposit, then company is offering you the 43% as a regular margin. While the EOSS or any discount period, in plan A, company is offering 29%, and in plan B, company is offering 31%. One more amount is company is asking you to pay, that is the 20% of the security deposit as in brand fee. That if you are talking about 5 lakh, it comes to 1 lakh. If you are talking about 7 lakh, then it comes to 1.4 lakh. That is completely a refundable deposit after completing your lock-in period of 3 years. The lock-in period is 3 years. So whatever amount company is taking is completely a refundable amount. The amount which you are giving it to me as a security deposit towards the stock, company is giving you 3 times of that amount as a stock. 5 lakhs, 15 lakhs, and in 7 lakhs, company is giving you 21 lakhs of MRP products. Of course, there is no risk of your dead stock. Company is taking care of everything. So company is giving you the 100% stock correction. Again, the big salary part is bear by the company, store manager salary. And GST is whatever is there, it is applicable as per the
Sachin ji, are we done with the presentation? Sachin ji, we can't hear you. Are we done with the presentation?
I am not audible.
You went on mute, Sachin ji. So this was the last slide that we are at. Are we done with the presentation, or we have another slide?
Yeah, Sonia, we have done the presentation. If you have any query, or any of the investor have query, I can go for it.
Thanks, Sachin. And let's have this slide on. जो भी आपका last slide था, let's have that slide back on the screen. And I also see some questions coming from our audience, and I'll take those questions one by one. Friends, I will also request when you put your questions, if you can put your city also, it will help us in understanding the potential of the location. And we can also ask Sachin ji if that particular city is open for penetration. And I will quickly take 1 minute to recap the entire opportunity. This is a company called Vasvi. They have headquarters in Rajasthan, Jaipur, and they have full state-of-the-art factory with their in-house printing, stitching, finishing, all that they do from their factory. And they do all kind of fabric from organic to pure cotton, chanderi, silk, all that is being done. And they're supplying to all the big box retailers as a private label, which they supply to them. And because of their backward integration, they offer better margins, which can be passed on not only to your end customer, but also to a prospective franchise partner. And that's what Sachin ji also mentioned. There are not too many layers in the value chain. So it is coming directly from the factory to the franchise partner. It is a value brand. They currently operate in all major cities. And I would say the value proposition is also attractive for a prospective partner to look at, because the entire security deposit that you give to the company is refundable at the end of your contract period. You don't have any dead stock at any given point in time. If you have any dead stock lying, the entire stock would be replaced by a fresh or maybe a fast moving stock. And the company on top of that will also provide you a store manager, the salary of the staff, which is the manager of the store. Apart from that, some sales incentives are also provided. Overall tenure of the period of the agreement, I'm understanding, is about 5 years, with a lock-in of 3 years, which the company is offering. And you don't need a very big area. It starts with a small area of 500 square feet. And you can have two options, a 5 lakh or a 7 lakh investment. So I'll quickly come on the questions, because we're looking at an area of 500 square feet. And we have talked about two different security deposit here, Sachin ji. एक 5 लाख का हम बात कर रहे हैं, 7 lakhs का हम बात कर रहे हैं. So what we're meaning to say is, in plan 2, we have a higher stock level. In plan 1, we have a lower stock level. Is that right?
Yes. In 5 lakh, I am offering 15 lakh, the 3 times of the security deposit. And in plan 2, 7 lakhs, we are offering 21 lakhs.
Right. And
the same is the difference in margin also. If you are giving one time 5 lakh, then you are getting a 40%. And if you are giving 7 lakh, then you are getting 3% additional.
Sure. And maybe I'll come on to that later, because friends, in any stock business, जितना आपका inventory होता है, उतना ही आपका stock का turnover होता है. And this is my first question to you, Sachin ji. So if we are looking at a stock of say 15 lakhs, 21 lakhs, typical जो हमारा throughput होता है एक store का, जो business potential होता है एक store का, इन दोनों formats में हमारा क्या रहेगा? What is the expected business a store with a, say, a security deposit or a MRP value stock of 15 lakhs would do, and what is the throughput of a store which keeps a higher stock of 21 odd lakhs? कितनी बार साल में हमारा पूरा stock rotate करता है?
जो stock होता है मैडम, वो stock तो it is rotate every week. We are giving you the new stock. Every week you are getting a new stock, because every weekend you have to keep new stock over there. So that is completely a one box to be given to every of the franchisee from company. At least you can say 3 to 4 new styles every week you will get. And if you are talking about the business profit, it might be depend on the location, but averagely when we are keeping the stock of 15 or 21 lakhs, it almost give you an average sale of 5 to 6 lakh per month.
Right. So this would mean जो हमारा average stock turnover होता है, वो आपका 4 से 5 टाइम होता है, right? So this is what it means. आपका 5 से 6 लाख का आपने average sales बोला है, that can come from the outlet. The other question, Sachin ji, मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, and while I'm doing that, I'm also seeing a lot of questions which are coming from our audience. The other question which I want to pick, हमने एक investment की बात की है इसमें, which is only the stock that we have shown on the franchise facts. And talking about an area of 500 square feet, इसके अलावा कोई और investment है जो franchise partner को अपने level पे रखनी है, which means interiors. I'm sure there is some investment that is going on the interiors also. जो आपका front facade है, branding है. Is there something over and above one he needs to maybe retain with him? And if it is, what is that amount? कितना लेते हैं इसका?
The entire interior and exterior. Hello.
Hanji, go ahead, Sachin ji. We lost you in between. Hanji.
Hello.
We can hear you, Sachin ji.
Yeah, Sonia, I'm telling you that whatever the amount is taken, sorry, the interior or exterior part is completely taken care by the franchisee as per the layout asked by the company. It is on very nominal cost. Approximate interior cost you around 1,000 to 1,200 per SFT, including of everything.
So 1,000 square feet of is per square feet investment, जिसका मतलब है this would translate to about 5 lakhs आपका interior पे investment आता है friends. There's another
around 5 to 7 lakhs. It's approx 5 to 7 lakhs.
So approximately 5 to 7 lakhs is your investment. Anything from 1,000 square feet to 1,200 square feet आपका interior cost आता है. Over and above, there's a security deposit of 5 lakhs and 7 lakhs in both the models. This is 100% refundable. So आपकी ये दो investment आती है. And इसके अलावा कोई और investment है आपकी?
Yes, yes, sir. One investment is there. There is a brand fee which you are taking as 20%. The overall investment is 15 to 18 lakhs.
And when is this? ये आपने लिखा हुआ है इसमें refundable brand fee आपने लिखा हुआ है after successful completion of the lock-in period. So जो brand fee आती है, this is taken in the third year. ये initial नहीं देते आपको?
नहीं madam. It is at the moment when we are signing the agreement. At that moment you have to pay. For 5 lakh it is comes to 1 lakh, and for 7 lakh it comes to 1.4 lakh. Here at the moment when we are signing the agreement, you have to pay. And after completion of this 3 years of lock-in period, company will return you or credit in your account. Either you can buy the product or either you can use the cash amount.
Sure. Yeah, I think that was something we wanted clarity on. So this helps. So friends, this is the overall investment we are looking at. And if you look at there's no risk because आपका सारे security आपका refundable है. Even the initial franchise fees जो आप बोलेंगे 3 साल बाद, this is refunded by the company. Now, Sachin ji, I'd like to come on the operating expenses. अगर हम operating खर्चों की बात करते हैं, एक आपका जो खर्चा है वो store manager का है, वो सबसे highest होता है salary का किसी भी store के लिए. Apart from that, कौन से दूसरे हमारे खर्चे होंगे एक store के ऊपर? और अगर नेट मार्जिन की बात करें, अगर हम 5 लाख सेल की बात करते हैं, 6 लाख सेल की बात करते हैं, दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस जो आप स्टोर रन करते हैं, तो एक नेट मार्जिन बिजनेस में जो आता है वो क्या रहेगा एक फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर के लिए?
After deducting your all operational expenses now, it will come to around 20 to 25%.
तो आपका नेट जो मार्जिन है that would be somewhere around 25%. 25% का मतलब है about 1 lakh to about 1.5 lakhs आपका नेट आपका पैसा बचता है.
बिल्कुल.
That's helpful. Sachin ji, very quickly मैं कुछ questions लूंगी. I have Mr. Sumedh Sahane from Nagpur city. He's looking for Nagpur. Is that a city that you are considering to roll out?
Any city that belongs to the west or the southern part of India, we are highly interested for that.
Okay, and let me just pick, I'm seeing a lot of questions, friends, and आप भी देख सकते हैं, Sachin ji, any question that you think you want to pick up. I'll pick one question from Madhuri ji. She's asking how the dead stock will be dealt at franchisee. Will it be exchanged with new stock or should franchise? This will be exchanged with the new stock, Madhuri ji, as we mentioned. तो ये सारा का सारा replacement होता है. Is that right, Sachin ji? That's what it means?
Yes, of course. It means that whatever the stock you are lying at your place more than 60 days, companies ask you to return it back to the warehouse and get it exchanged with the new one.
All right. And हमारा टर्न अराउंड टाइम क्या होता है इसमें? जो भी हम सप्लाई अपने पार्टनर्स को करते हैं, तो हमारा इसमें टर्न अराउंड टाइम क्या होता है सप्लाई का, एंड किस तरीके से सप्लाई चेन आपकी वर्क करती है?
Yes, that is a very good question. Might be I have wished that whatever the amount you are whatever the sale you are getting in 1 day or 2 days, might be in 1 or 2 days in initial stage, but at the end, every day, every second day, you have to deposit by deducting your margin the rest amount to the company account, and by which company, that means that is against the reordering, and as soon as the amount reaches to 1 lakh, company will send you the product in a week.
All right, that's helpful. And अगर इस स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं Sachin ji, this is one question which I want to also have clarity on. एक तरफ हमने लिखा हुआ है we'll look at 100% stock correction. जो भी एक साल का आपका स्टॉक होगा, जो भी आपको दिया जाएगा, you can correct that stock up to 100%. But we've also put a cap of 25%, which means that एक क्वार्टर में हम 25% से ऊपर आपका स्टॉक करेक्ट नहीं करेंगे.
That is what, Sonia ji, that in terms of garment industry, we are talking about the entire, if we see the dead stock percentage in entire annum and entire year, it comes to 20% of the total inventory.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Then if we are talking about that in a quarter, if we are giving you a 25% correction, it means we are giving a huge correction part at the end. But at the same time, it is mentioned in the agreement, or it is mentioned here also. But in a year, you will rotate a complete shop with the fresh garment. That means the 100% correction.
Right, and that's right. And friends, I can explain that to you. अगर आप average industry का norm देखते हैं, there are a lot of companies which do saw correction, and especially जब stock correction एक franchise partner को दिया जाता है, ये percentage हमेशा ज़्यादा रखी जाती है. जो national average है, what he's trying to explain is 20%, but जो franchise partner को दिया जा रहा है वो 25% है. अगर आप पूरा साल देखेंगे तो आपका पूरा का पूरा 100% stock वो आपका rotate होता है. That's what it means. And Jagdish ji, you want to ask if the actual investment brand fee investor has to invest. I hope this is answered because we clarified the entire investment. And is there a franchise of Vasvi operational in Pune? And if yes, where is that location? Sachin ji, is there any location in Pune where we currently operate?
Right now, we don't have any outlet over there. But one of the inquiry just recently came from the place called Carthage, I think.
Okay, so there is not any at the moment, and I would also like to
add in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, Mumbai, we have in Goregaon West.
All right, that's Goregaon we are currently operating. एक चीज और मैं समझना चाहूंगी सचिन जी, because I saw one question on the omni-channel fulfillment, and just to understand, because your product might be available on your website and might also be there on some of the marketplaces. So जो भी आपकी online demand create होती है, उसका benefit franchise partner को मिलता है? Is it fulfilled through the franchise partner?
100%. If it is whatever order comes to the company head office or on the company portal or any of the marketplace, either is Amazon, Flipkart, but whatever in our range, if it comes to nearby to their pin code, if franchisee is locally available and it comes the order near to their pin code, I ask franchisee to deliver that product to the consumer so that they can connect the customer directly at their place.
Sure. Sachin ji, quickly, कुछ cities में लूंगी which I'm seeing on my screen. We have Mr. Amar Lunia asking for South. We have Mr. Ajay, वो तमिलनाडु के लिए पूछ रहे हैं. I have Mr. Suraj, अहमदनगर के लिए पूछ रहे हैं. If these locations are open, we have Mr. Anand Shitole. He's asking for Kolhapur. And I'm seeing some more cities also. आपने बोला West आपके लिए सारा open है. And South में you're already signed up and coming up with more stores. So ये locations हम consider कर सकते हैं?
100%. West or South, I told you that I'm keenly interested to open in West and South because the fabric, the product, the prints, what we are working at Jaipur, that completely is entirely acceptable in the South or Western market. And mostly you can find a working woman compared to the North India. In this part of the country, you will find more working women in South and in West part.
Sure. All right. I will take one question from Mr. Ajay, and I see a couple of questions, Ajay ji, which have come from you. And you have asked initial how much amount should be paid for plan 1? How about staff recruitment? Any assistance? So plan 1 would be 5 lakhs of investment. There would be another 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs on the interiors, and 1 lakh is the investment of the franchise fees. So that becomes 7 plus 1, which is 8, and 8 plus 5 is the investment that you have to do, Ajay ji. And the company will also help you in giving all the designs of the outlet that would be given by the company, and that can be executed at the local level. वो सारे के सारे designs एक local contractor के through आप execute करा सकते हैं. And Sachin ji, what Ajay ji wants to know, जो भी staff का recruitment होगा उसमें कोई assistance होती है आपकी?
100%, madam. The entire whatever if it is suggested by the franchisee or it is suggested by any local agency, the complete taken care by our HR managers. They will personally take care of it. If they like their suggestions, if their recommendations, and if we find that that is the suitable candidate, we go for it, as we will recruit from our side.
So helpful. Friends, if you have more questions, you can keep putting those questions. And Sumedji, you have 300 square feet place in Nagpur, possible for starting the business. I feel what we can do is, while the minimum area requirement is 500 square feet and you have 300 square feet of space, we can have maybe an independent discussion with Sachinji to understand the location of the property. If it is a good property and we see a potential business coming out of it, maybe we can have one-to-one discussion if there's a possibility of considering that. Okay. And Sachinji, I have a question on break-even also. Kitna time लगता है हमारा ROI would take how long to come in?
30 months.
1-3 you said, huh? So that's almost 1 year, 1 month.
Basically, it completely depend on the location, but company is very much serious, and company is not open for entire location of the city. Company personally visit to the place, verify the location. If they feel that whatever the investment we are asking to pay from the franchisee part, if we are capable to make the ROI within the span of time of 3 years, under 3 years, then only we choose or we confirm that location, as we may deny the location also.
Sure. And friends, just to add, because I see a lot of you कि अगर हम break even पे नहीं आते हैं, जो भी हम पूरी investment की बात करें, there is a big amount of working capital जो इसमें involved है, which also they have added as a part of the investment. If I look at your investment, it is just 5 lakhs, which is the investment on the interiors. बाकी सारा आपका deposit है जो आपको refund हो जाता है at the end of your contract period. So there is nothing apart from the investment in the property that would depreciate, and बाकी सारा investment refundable है. So you don't have too much at risk. And जो हमारे खर्चे होते हैं, सचिन जी, मैं रेंट पूछना चाहूंगी, रेंट हमारा कितना, किस लोकेशंस पे आइडियली हमें खोलना चाहिए, एंड क्या हमारा रेंट होना चाहिए इन लोकेशंस का?
सोना जी, अगर हम रेंट की बात करें, शायद कोरोना पीरियड के पहले तो रेंट कुछ और ही हुआ करते थे, बट आफ्टर सडन this lockdown period and everything, whatever the conditions we saw, it is almost dropped down to 50%. The property of 1 lakh, it comes down to 50,000. So almost you can say around for a right property, good property, not I am talking about the prime location, but the right property for the business, might be we can have the operational cost near about, including of rent, it is between 1 to 1.25. And if we go for any prime location, might it will reach to 1.5 to 1.75.
Helpful, Sachin ji. And friends, I'm seeing a lot of questions which are still coming in, and some of these have been answered, and some of you are asking for a recap also. So I would like to clarify, because कुछ questions हम ले चुके हैं and I'm seeing these questions coming back. This is a franchisee owned, franchisee operated model. आप own करेंगे, आप operate करेंगे उस जगह को, and as a go to market entry, the company is offering a attractive plan जहाँ पे जो भी आपका deposit, सबसे बड़ा risk एक franchisee का होता है कि अगर मेरा stock नहीं बिका, you know what happens to that investment I have made. So वो कंपनी उसको completely refundable कर रही है, including the franchise fees, जो आपको 3 साल बाद आपको वापस मिल जाती है. बाकी सारे जो खर्चे हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम द स्टोर मैनेजर की जो सैलरी है वो कंपनी देती है, वो तकरीबन आपकी डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिटी, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग बिटवीन 10 to 15,000 और मे बी 18,000. ये सारी सैलरी कंपनी देती है एक मैनेजर की. बाकी जो ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस हैं, रेंट हो गया या आपका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंसेस, यूटिलिटी कुछ होता है, वो सारे एक्सपेंसेस आप बेयर करते हैं. एंड माधुरी जी, आप पूछ रही हैं जो इंटीरियर का काम है, कंपनी आपको स्पेसिफिकेशंस आपको देगी. दिस मनी इज नॉट टू बी गिवन टू द कंपनी. ये जो भी आपके लोकल कॉन्ट्रैक्टर होंगे आप उनको पे करेंगी. द ओनली मनी विच इज गिवन टू द कंपनी इज स्टॉक. यू हैव टू गिव 1 lakh ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट टुवर्ड्स योर रिफंडेबल ब्रांड फी. सिर्फ ये 2 चीजें जो कंपनी को जाती हैं. बाकी जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट होगी कंपनी विल गिव यू द इंटायर डिटेल्स, एंड वो आप लोकल लेवल पे आप कर सकते हैं.
सुना जी, इसमें एक पार्ट और है, जैसे if anyone want an assistance into the interior part or exterior part, we may provide the contractor from our end. But basically what happened when companies start to provide, franchisee have a doubt that might be companies earning somehow in interior part also. So that is the reason we have keep it a flat at the franchisee end. If they want any assistance, we may provide, but if they want, they can go directly with any of the contract as per the layout given by the company.
Sure. And Sachin ji, एक और जो क्वेश्चन है वो जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के ऊपर, आई थिंक वी हैव मिस्टर अंकित पट्टीदार जी, ही इज आस्किंग व्हाटएवर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जो भी हम करेंगे स्टॉक का, तो उसकी कॉस्ट कौन बेयर करेगा?
The complete transportation cost is bear by the company if product reaching to their place, and anything which they are returning back to the company as a non-movable stock, that cost is bear by the franchisee only. But we have a corporate tie-ups with the transport like TCI, Tracon, DTDC, Blue Dart. So we can have a corporate tie-up with them. If they want, they can get that quality and that prompt services from them on a very economic range, like a transporter only.
Very, very helpful. And Shashi Kiranji is asking, he already has a ready furnished premise of at an existing apparel store, and And if it is an apparel store, I understand the basic interiors, rack, lighting, all that is being done. How do I move on? Because I don't need any furniture or a minimum furniture required. Yes, Shashi ji, you don't need anything on the interiors. In this case, what you can do is you can share the pictures of the location, the city that you're interested in, and maybe we can share with Sachin ji. And the only thing that you would need to do is maybe, you know, do a little bit of branding, jo aapke facade pe lagta hai, and you need to pay for the stock and the brand fee. That is it. But I think the exact specifications can be discussed one-to-one if you share complete details of your property and pictures, and also the city jahan pe aapki property hai. We'd like to have more understanding on that on your property. So that's very helpful, Sachin ji. I think we've tried and taken a lot of questions. I still have many questions, which I will request friends, if we can have one-to-one discussion. We have our teams at Franchise India who's working on the project. And I will request if we can take any of these questions that you have, which remains either unanswered or not clear. We will take it up on a one-to-one discussion with Sachin ji. And we have a discovery day in the coming week, जो हमने रखा हुआ इनके साथ. And I will request all of you that you can come on the discovery day. ये आधे घंटे का सेशन हम रखेंगे या पौने घंटे का, जहाँ पे आपके साथ एक one-to-one डिस्कशन करेंगे. And in this discussion मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा, अगर आपकी सिटी लोकेशन प्रॉपर्टी है आपके पास, तो वो जरूर आप शेयर कीजिए, ताकि हमें डिसीजन लेने में और उस डिस्कशन जो हम करेंगे आधे पौने घंटे में, वी कैन मेक मोस्ट टाइम आउट ऑफ दैट. एंड बिफोर वी क्लोज, सचिन जी, कोई भी एक मैसेज आप सारे हमारे जो ऑडियंस आपको सुन रहे हैं, एनी मैसेज दैट यू वांट टू गिव टू ऑल ऑफ देम?
Mainly, I just want to give that if again I am coming to the main part, that every franchisee or every investor have a very hard-earned money to have with them. It's a very hard-earned money. We should decide we should take a right decision towards the business, because there are n number of multiple options for taking the franchisee, either into food and beverages, either into the jewelries, either into the other part. But why we choose clothes? Because we know that exactly if we are going for a roti, kapda and makan, this is the basic thing which is required, and fashion never ends. And especially when we are talking about the women's clothing, everybody knows it as their sister, at their mothers, at their wife, that how much shopaholic they are. So if they can go for that particular business, of course they will get a huge growth, as well as an ample opportunity to grow themselves. This is what I want to say.
Very, very relevant, Sachin ji. And this is what we also at Franchise India suggest all our prospective investors, that you should put enough time in selecting the opportunity. Sachin ji, एक और question है. I think we moved this slide. इसमें दो हमने options दिए हुए थे, which I just saw a question coming in. एक हमने flat margin का भी option दिया हुआ है. वो कब activate होता है? Because flat margin is just 30%, 31%. I think that's what I saw on your slide. 31% आपने flat margin रखा हुआ है, आपने ऑप्शनल रखा हुआ है. व्हाट डज दिस मीन? बिकॉज रेगुलर मार्जिन हमारा हायर है 40% का, एंड यूएस मार्जिन 29% है.
That is an optional margin, madam. If anybody of that around the year, if they want a single margin, they don't go on to the part either we are selling in regular price or rather we are selling in EOSs, because mostly they think that 6 months or 8 months they are finding EOSs, so they are finding their margin less. That's where we have given an option for a flat around the year. राइट. एंड दिस इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फ्रेंड्स. क्या होता है, कंपनीज हमेशा दो मार्जिन कई बार ऑफर करती हैं. एक आप रेगुलर मार्जिन ले सकते हैं, विच इज नॉन सेल्स पीरियड, एंड जब हमारा सेल का पीरियड होता है उसमें आपके मार्जिन कम हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज वी गिव डिस्काउंट्स. सो देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस. यू कैन कंटिन्यू विद रेगुलर मार्जिन एंड यूएस मार्जिन, एंड द अदर ऑप्शन इज यू कैन डिसाइड कि आपको पूरे साल 30%, 31% का मार्जिन आप ले सकते हैं, एंड देन जो भी आपके डिस्काउंट्स होंगे वो अपने लेवल पे आप लेंगे. सो वेरी हेल्पफुल Sachin ji. This was an interesting discussion that we had. And I will also request Himani, do we have a date that we have decided for our discovery day?
Ma'am, Himani, I'll just check with Himani the date.
Okay. Sachin ji, कोई भी डेट आप अनाउंस करना चाहते हैं? किस दिन आप डिस्कवरी डे करना चाहेंगे? Because we have very good interest which has come in. Any date that you want to announce where we can bring prospective investors to speak to you?
1 minute, madam. We can have on this 10th August.
10th should be good. We are on 6th today, so 10th would mean 4 days from now, which is a Tuesday. So we are on Friday today, so this can be Tuesday, friends. So Tuesday, 10th of August is the day that we'll do a discovery day, and you can reach out on the hotline number. I will also put my hotline number and the email ID where you can reach out. And it is 9717-683838. That's the number, and our ID is feedback@franchiseindia.in. Anything that you want to reach out or discuss with us, you can reach out, WhatsApp, SMS, call on these numbers. Thank you so much, Sachin ji, for being with us, and thank you all our friends. I will now request, can we have a final closing remarks and also inform our prospective investors on the other events that we are doing.
Thank you so much for joining the webinar today and sparing your time with us. You may connect with us on our business hotline number, which is 971-768-3838. You may also connect with Ms. Sonia Chaudhary and Mr. Gaurav Maria on their LinkedIn accounts. Today evening, we invite you to our Bharat Franchise Show Series webinar, where we are representing in Hubli today. And also for tomorrow, we are bringing the top business opportunities into diagnostic brands, same time, 12 p.m. Do join us for these webinars. Once again, thank you so much for valuable time with us. Thank you so much.